Rise forward, you're still thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, you stay there and now lift your hands. All right, look, you've got this. It's not bad. You've got this piece. You've got the right feeling. You've got the right motion of the hands. What you don't have yet is the magic. This is a dreamy pastel piece. It's magical. But you're playing it like, oh, I've played it 300 times. But it's your part of being the musician to make the time that you play it the first time always. Like, oh, this is the first time I've heard this. This channeling of the newness of it. Very hard to do because we aren't. It's not new to us. We've played it 300 times. Can you make it special this time? So that means at the end you can't look to me like, I'm done. You've got to stay in the music from the beginning to the end. So wait a minute, put your hands in your lap. Now bring your hands up slowly, find your hand position, start on the surface. Put the pedal down before you begin. Think of the sound. No, that was really bland. You know, I heard, ya-da-da-da, I played this before. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. That's the feeling. Get it into your sound. Start it again. Now, of course, I liked it, but you didn't play it deep enough. I couldn't hear it. So you're close, but it didn't come out of the piano. You're almost there. You're 90% there. You know what's missing? Stop. You got to be willing to hear this. You have got to breathe. Da 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 da. Those quarter dots, they da like your arm. Ya da 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 da. Ya da 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 da. And you've got to watch it all the way to your arm falling. Give those full counts. No, you started too soon. You weren't ready. No. Ya da 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 da. Take both hands in. So do it from here. No, like you did before. Both hands. That's right. Now come back down and here you are. Here comes the big bells. Don't make them ugly. Big bell in the steeple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Little bells, little bells. 6. Now take your hands off, but let the pedal continue. Lift the pedal up slowly. The goal is that when you play this piece, you want your listener to be transformed. They're having a bad day, and when they hear this piece, you transform them into, I just had a wonderful moment. I feel good. You are so close to having that feeling. Do it again. I know you can do it. Now, I'm not going to disturb you if you don't hold things long enough, but try to hold all those dotted quarters for like a breath. slightly bigger. One, tom. Biggest sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now quiet. Quiet. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Off. Wow, that's going to be really good. It's the best I've heard anybody do it. You've got it in your body. Can you do those little fixes this week?
Yes.
Shall we put it on I think it deserves the 30-piece challenge. So let's put Pastels on, but don't stop playing this one. This one is one of those greats that you could put on to the June party, and everyone will go, oh, I remember that piece. That one was really good. So, but as I said, we got to play it thousands of times to get it there, to set us apart from the others. Yep, just like doing pirouettes 1,000 times, but it has to look like it was nothing. Oh, right hand come down an octave. Now, different dance here, right? That's your left hand's position, and your right hand's there. Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7. Wait a minute. These are even. Nope. Listen again. Ready, set, go, and up. Wait, do it with me. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. Yeah. Okay, that was good. Now, notice the direction. First time is all loud with bright and cheery in the second one.
I do that usually.
But I want it even. Wait, no. No, wait a minute. Wait. Fast doesn't mean, forte doesn't